Grow your own lemon tree from seed. Want fresh, juicy lemons right from your backyard? It's easier than you think. In this video, we'll guide you through every step of growing a lemon tree from seed, turning a simple lemon into a thriving citrus friend. Get ready to experience the joy of homegrown goodness. Growing a lemon tree from seed is a rewarding experience. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature and learn about plant life cycles. Plus, it's incredibly cost-effective compared to buying a mature tree. Think of all the lemons you use. Imagine having a constant supply right outside your door. It's a fun and educational project for gardeners of all ages. While it takes longer to get fruit compared to grafted trees, the journey is worth it. The satisfaction of nurturing a tree from a tiny seed is unmatched. Embrace the process and enjoy the anticipation. Before we start, let's gather everything we need. Having your supplies ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's take a look at what you'll need. First, you'll need a fresh lemon, preferably organic. Next, grab some small pots with drainage holes. Drainage is crucial for healthy root development. You'll also need a seed starting mix or well-draining potting mix. Regular garden soil is too dense for seedlings. Water is essential, of course, and a clear plastic wrap or bag. A spray bottle is optional but helpful for misting. Finally, find a sunny location, like a windowsill, for your seedlings. Sunlight is key for growth. Now for the fun part, extracting the seeds. Carefully cut open your lemon and remove the seeds. Try not to damage the seeds in the process. Choose the plumpest, healthiest-looking seeds. These have the best chance of germination. Discard any small or shriveled seeds. Rinse the seeds thoroughly to remove any pulp. Pulp residue can inhibit germination. Some gardeners recommend soaking the seeds in water overnight to further aid germination. Let's get those seeds in the soil. Fill your pots with the seed starting mix. Leave about ½ inch of space at the top. Plant each seed about 1/2 inch deep. Gently cover the seeds with soil. Don't pack the soil down too tightly. Water the soil gently until it's moist, but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle for a gentle mist. Cover the pots with plastic wrap or a plastic bag to create a humid environment. Now comes the waiting game, but don't worry, it's an active one. Place your pots in a sunny location. A windowsill that gets plenty of light is ideal. Keep the soil consistently moist. Check the soil daily and water as needed. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Maintain the humidity by keeping the plastic wrap or bag in place until the seedlings sprout. Once they sprout, remove the plastic for air circulation. After a few weeks, start fertilizing with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Once your seedlings have developed a few true leaves, it's time to transplant them. True leaves are the second set of leaves that appear after the initial seed leaves. This usually happens a few weeks after sprouting. Transplant each seedling into a larger pot. Choose a pot that's at least 6 inches in diameter. Use a well-draining potting mix for the transplant. Water the newly transplanted seedlings thoroughly. Allow the excess water to drain out. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Fertilize your lemon tree regularly, following the instructions on your fertilizer. Citrus trees are heavy feeders. Ensure your tree continues to receive plenty of sunlight. Pruning is optional, but can help shape your tree. Watch out for common pests like aphids and scale. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Growing a lemon tree from seed requires patience. It can take 7 years for your tree to produce fruit. Don't get discouraged if it takes a while. Enjoy the process of watching your tree grow. Each stage of development is fascinating. Keep in mind that fruit from seed-grown trees may vary slightly from the parent fruit. This is because seed-grown trees are not clones of the parent. Embrace the unique characteristics of your homegrown lemons. Thank you for joining me on this lemon growing adventure. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment below. Share your experiences or ask any questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks.